Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi A3 key battery. First, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for safely opening the key fob. Find a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will have your key working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side or back of your key. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot where you can insert your flathead screwdriver. Carefully twist the screwdriver to gently pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to how the old battery is oriented, specifically which side, positive or negative, is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up, just like the old one. It should click securely into place. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them firmly together until they click securely. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks. Test your key to ensure it's working correctly. For a fresh car scent, check out Little Tree's Black Ice. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.